Hello sir, thank you giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sabi Kumar. I am from Basti, Uttar Pradesh. I have just completed my diploma in computer science and engineering. I am preparing for IT jobs and learning important technology like Python, Linux, and AWS. I enjoy working with those tools. I am I am in sorry. I am looking for a beginner level IT role where can I use my skill and learn more. Thank you, sir. Two try and three try explain with architecture explain. In introduction, in software development, architecture, different parts of an application communication with each other. It destroy the structure application on the flow data between user, the application, and database. The most two common architecture: two tier and three tier architecture. What is two tier architecture? A2 architecture, in software architecture in which the client applications communication directly with the database server. There is on supported application supported between client server and the database. The two tracks are पहला ऑप्शन क्लाइंट ट्राइड और दूसरा सेकंड database tried. In the client architecture, the consent both the user interface on the most of business login component of two architectures uh, component टू आर्किटेक्चर पहला ऑप्शन क्लाइंट ट्राइड और दूसरा है डाटाबेस ट्राइड. Client tried the client front end application that user interface with. It is responsibility include deploying the user interface, expecting the user interface. Examples: desktop application, switch applications, and Python desktop applications. Database tried. Second option, the database tried storage and all application. It is respond include options, uh, uh, storing data, include shooting data MySQL. Examples: MySQL, MySQLite, SQL Server. How to use A or N. A और N यूज. A और N का यूज सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के पहले यूज की जाती है. एक का यूज साउंड इज ए. एग्जाम्पल्स आई हैव ए बुक्स. ये एन यूज ए का. एन का यूज साउंड ई आई ओ यू with use. Example: I eat an apples. What is use of this and that? Use. This and that are use. Designative, proper noun or designative adjective noun. They are used point two people, the thing of place. This use for a person. This or this that is near you single. Near you singular. This structure. This plus is plus noun. And second structure, this noun plus verb. Example: this is my book. This is my book. This is my friend. That मतलब वाह. That use for a person. और this that is from a singular. That structure. That is that plus is plus noun. And second structure, that plus noun plus verb. That is example. That is my house. That is a dog. What is use of these and those? These and those. Demonstrative. Proper noun. Proper or demonstrative adjective. They are used point to more than the on person, things or place. Singular. Sorry, plural. This use ye. Used. These is used are people or things. That are never plural. that are never you plural. Structure: these plus are plus plural noun. Example: these are my book, these are my friend. Those, we, those is used those are used for people or things. Place and things that are from are plural. Structure: those plus are plural noun. Examples: those are your house, sorry, those are my house, those are your bag.